Guess who's back in the house? Party like wow.
Urban Tuesday! Handa na ba kayo? Apat na buong magsasapat, tinupok ang kakayahan. Kaya naman apat na bahay na rin ang inyong matutunghayan. Okay, ladies, gentlemen, LGBTQIA+, Gen Z, tonight you will witness an international quality battle inspired by the Korean show, Street Woman Fighter! Yan! So, our first contender, this group of individuals is composed of viral sensations in the dancing industry. Kaya naman simulan natin ang swabing galawan. Give it up for Express Euphoria!
Let's go, Kuya Jim! Let's go, Kuya Jim! Let's go! Let's go, Kuya Jim!
Ay ikaw na, ikaw na, di dahil para sa ika'y mahalaga, ika'y mahalaga.
What a way to start the show! Masyadong mainit yung gabi nito, ano? Na nagkakailangan natin ng tubig. Speaking of tubig, nakapag-sway na ba ang lahat sa water dance craze? Sung by the #1 BMW cover in the Philippines with over 3 million views on YouTube, along with one of the solo artists of the famous music label in Quezon Province. It's Glitching River Records. It is my honor to welcome SJ Mariana and Maria with Aphrodite's Way.
Make me sweat, make me hurt, make me lose my breath, make me wanna.
Show me what the fuck you say. Tell me that you never believe. Don't match my energy. I'll make the guarantee. No hesitate. No breaks for me between you. What you trying to say?
You blow my mind. Set on my whole body. If I give you my time, set on my soul.
Wow, with the way.
Can you blow my mind?
A refreshment we all need, cause it's only getting hotter and hotter. Let's go! Are we all up for some fantasizing sexy moves? You heard it right! We are up for some fantasize of our lives. Pero bago tayo tumutok dyan, matanong ko lang, si Netch Kite, mag-Wikipedia muna tayo guys. Si Netch Kite, content creator, na medyo hindi ka nakaharap, pero yun yung bangs niya. Tapos, ikaw may hit, komisante siya. Okay? Magkaroon tayo kung dito sa kanila. Okay, sino yung content creator na yun? Sino? Sino Ting? Tama naman yun. Pero, sino naman yung content creator na aka look-alike ni Liza Soberano. Sino? Sino nakakakilala? Sino? Okay, kilala mo. Sino? Si who? May the Plus, ayan! Hi ka naman, Mason, ano ang plan mo?
Ayan, thank you po sa mga nakaka-appreciate sa physical ko. Ayan lang, I love you guys.
Okay, so, balik na tayo sa show. Led by the #1 cover of Fantasize with over 60 million views, ha? It's no other than Belle de los Reyes. Along with one of the hottest beauty content creator, it's Ishik Kylie. This is Bebeng Sis. One minute.
Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Oh, because when I'm with you, love is not mine. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby.
Wow! More power, more passion. This group claims to be the strongest among all. Performing in one of this drum's biggest hits, Mag-Ingaya 2000 Babies Dance is given us by the Groovers Crew.
What it is, folks? It's right here, 16-year-old female Chris Reese with myself on the
Urban Music!
Hey, let's go! Let's go, what guys? Let's go, Angelo!
Family, baby, please over the truth. Baby, talking like you like whatever. I know you like it how I'm eating it like you can be in the back saying, give me. Family, baby, please over the truth. Baby, talking like you like whatever. I know you like it how I'm eating it like you can be in the back saying, give me.
What a tight match that was!